All right, team, welcome. It's 2026. I'm so excited. We are going to go back through the Course in Miracles and the lessons. I'm going to kick this back off. It's been years, so I'm just going to start over at lesson 1. I've been studying it the whole time, so we will do readings and studies, but we're just going to kick it off and get going here. So part 1, lesson 1. Are you ready? Nothing I see in this room, on this street, from this window, in this place means anything. This can be really weird if you just jump into this lesson out of nowhere. I've been studying the book for years, so it's not, I get what this lesson's really about, but you're basically going to look around the room and you're going to say, now slowly look around you, it says, and practice applying this idea very specifically to whatever you see. This table does not mean anything. This chair does not mean anything. This hand does not mean anything. This foot does not mean anything. This pen does not mean anything. Then look farther away from your immediate area and apply the idea to a wider range. That door does not mean anything. That body does not mean anything. That lamp does not mean anything. That sign does not mean anything. That shadow doesn't mean anything. Notice that these statements are not arranged in any order and make no allowances for differences in the kind of things to which they are applied. That is the purpose of the exercise. The statements should merely be applied to anything you see. As you practice the idea for the day, use it totally indiscriminately. Do not attempt to apply it to everything you see, for these exercises should not become ritualistic. Only be sure that nothing you see is specifically excluded. One thing is like another as far as the application of the idea is concerned. Each of the first 3 lessons should not be done more than twice a day, preferably morning and evening, nor should they be attempted for more than a minute or so unless this entails a sense of hurry. A comfortable sense of leisure is essential. So again, you're going to look around your room and you're going to say, nothing I see in this room or on this street or from this window in this place means anything. That can seem a bit cold at first, like, what do you mean nothing in this room means anything? But really, you want to get separate from putting so much faith in everything that your biological senses see. It sounds weird to say, but you know from physics and what we've discovered with science that the world is more waves and particles than anything else. Our senses translate it into what we see. So we need to get a little bit away from trusting our senses so fully, because we don't realize that the way we think impacts what we see. So we believe what we see and disconnect from the fact that what we're thinking is impacting what we're seeing and experiencing. So we need to get a little bit away from what we're seeing and experiencing as being the full reality, getting a little more into what am I thinking, what am I feeling, and then what's showing up. So that's really all this is about. I love you. Happy New Year. Here we go.